Welcome to Greystone Lodge. Conveniently located an hour and 15 minutes northwest of Nashville, Tennessee, in the rolling countryside of western Kentucky, awaits this majestic lodge and events venue. The grand entrance, boasting 30-foot ceilings and a massive antler chandelier, captures your attention and never lets go. What started as a dream turned into the creation of this beautiful lodge and event center, privately positioned on 5 acres in western Kentucky. This 11,200 square foot layout has 18 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and was thoughtfully designed with luxurious comfort in mind. There are 4 wings, 2 wings downstairs and 2 upstairs, each offering separate gathering areas, providing plenty of room to spread out. The twin covered porch areas allow you to step outside and enjoy the country fresh air along with the peaceful surroundings. And be sure to close out the day while enjoying the sights, sounds, and smells of a crackling fire while gathered around the outdoor fire pit. For more information and to schedule your private tour, contact Pat Doyle at 615-490-2771 or go to HaydenOutdoors.com.